on the 27th April, so a year 1957 premiere echo so Accra. You say ye boy home, ye support ye home for the Ghana movie industry. Industry ni betimi akɔnanim na ɛfa ntoma pa ɛde efra. Etimi bochichi kuabaso for doing such a massive job. A movie a country called Ghana. Kojo Kansala when and so Eddie Baya Okofa Nigerians Eddie Mobe Kansa movie no na Adeba ko was here the same time here support in the power industry no you could share our Angel FM Okoto boy siki honum killer say money si ho but at the day of the premiere great people say Canada who USA and also UK na so share me sabre so episode send this scam at the back Ghana make comfort Lemfi at the amount Lemfi say me can tell say first time and we use Lemfi at the money transfer or the $30 essence account or when they put the best rate on the money transfer market charges be any transaction be free channel so say Lemfi baby say promo code that be use Polino POLEENO and your promo code. The cranny will be the Lemfi at transfer scam at your bank account so and as a mobile money wallet. So Lemfi Abba Amamino Mienum into Apple Store and as a Play Store and download the app no and Lemfi for your money transactions in Alright, yeah, Church Amunina and Mama Kwaba Eba a Polino Multimedia. The name still is the Fresh Boy Papa J. Ene ye baby share Eba Bebo and Komokakra. We have for some time now. Ghana, I am very busy so far as the movie industry is concerned. And no enkomo and then minimum babidi. But before say ebedi enkomo no menka say Lemfi ewo ho emobia this time say Canada, UK, na USA. Now person send this cap e the Ghana. Lemfi say menka ncha say owo ho ma it call Apple Store and as a Play Store and download the app no for Sunday. We see kebi person send it the Ghana. Lemfi say first time now use Lemfi that and I would send this car. Let's say $100 air car or the $30 air car home. Sharing so promo code that Lemfi baby sa no. We use Polino POLEENO and another promo code. Lemfi say which means you as transfer car and they call mobile money wallet so and as a bank account so. Air fast, air convenient, how be him charges be him air free and you have a transaction near till. Lemfi say so use app no at the transfer car. Free how be any and I would almost $1 ever CDA Lemfi rate no was ropa Canada for UK for ni USA mu use Lemfi am fan send music nyina emfa emrebusia for our Ghana o send this no na o send kire odo and na face support e dey ama e of family aha Polino Multimedia wo yenko asem no so o share for some time on Ghana movie industry yeah juma yeah sure say the days are na kuma wood movies ewo ho na okokoto CD na oba na obehwe no saa time no na utimi ko ba bia timinya movie ni bia dem ehwe edu ba bi na ye pesidi ato ye pesini ahwa na ye nya bi e magana fo nyina be ka say o movie industry no egu anase egu and a certain people become adwini bo mu say no say industry no decide akofom a ye ntra say e ma ne nkofom ye nso be use YouTube e dey aye skit kakran e dey entertaining Ghana for achi adwuma na si ho into be hwa ye benya nkofo bi say Dr. Like any ni team e mo so hyase ye bia kakran side hodi adwuma no e dey bedum pempeso a e wo say eduru ama say YouTube no so ababeji nyini ama say abi adwuma no ama diverse ways be dem abem ni nyina achi no na YouTube no so I think say people are saying say YouTube no e ntientia ye pe full movie asan so ahwe ye be den enye bi ahwe because short skits no at dominate the YouTube channels no ye be den enya eye full movies ni bi enso so ahwe wo hwe obi ti say eye Kojo Kansala when enso hyase so no so eba ne sadia ono so bi twa movies long movies and so be series a ebe wo TV so na say upe anything about the movie industry upe artists bi ahwe na hu na cha you can also go to the TV channels and watch all these people ono so fato no so ye series or the superstars, musicians, actors, presenters, any people be ehihiem about homode ono so efa free that side no ye guguma na a branch keto bia ono so ba movie industry me encheye a checheku small boy a oba industry me encheye enso eteki bold step say skits na ono so ye no o person set example bi to na dachi bi no ebe yen senda ho na boa ema the movie industry no enso ejina ono so twa powerful movie or title no 1957 directed by 925 Music 925 and directed some movie no mo amunya akonya ebe hwe movie ni bi e Kumasi. You saw say it was very nice na movie na fe storyline no characters a womb how amu say arrange bibia pictures and everything no na on point ono so ye bonaba so hwe Kumasi premiere na enye easy amanfo buy to take it be share onya about 4 shows. Show I started best at 6 p.m. no almost ending around 4 a.m. in the morning. It tells you say Ghana movie industry no see me ni na see nya nipa bi ti say na omo boa e betimi aboa ma industry no etimi akona nimpa. On the 27th April so year 1957 premiere ekọ so wa Accra ye nyina ekọ support Chicheku ema ni ye massive. It tells you say ye boa ye ho ni ye support ye ho for the Ghana movie industry industry no betimi akona nim na efa na ntoma pa e di efra etimi bo Chicheku abaso for doing such a massive job. Take a bold step akrake to a watch movie na nisika kakra wenya wantimi anka se me dal kwakoto ka bi e dia dem me de kwa kope girl bi a me pe na wan pe me de chase no akwa kope na mu o se all the industry no ama industry no epeja those days ye benya producers bibria na omowo eye Kumawodi industry no ma ombenya sika na o se nkomo the industry bi no mu de bie shops e bi de top phones e bi de bie shops a omanfa nwura the movie industry no enu nwa kan bi na ma industry no eguye enti ye ball mo baso from that level now mpelifo nyina ye bi from now sa ba be sinne. And recently a movie ya to the a country called Ghana, a movie Kojo Kansalawen and so Eddie Baya okofa Nigerians Eddie Mobeka movie no oye na and a movie we so Eddie Sembebre ebaye among us oh and then wakofa Nigerians Eddie Omufri Nigeria now they more aba na Ghana for and that was not the first time Nigeria for aba Ghana be movie. Yeah, we have had a movies at Miracle Films I feature a lot of Nigerian actors and actresses. In all, no, a very nice movie, a country called Ghana. Ye premiere Accra first. Oko Accra, eba so kama ama manfo babe supporte e wa Accra pa medical by obi bi say D crime by Calibus and Hof Patri and crime for people living in Accra and outside Accra. Many ebi mu di nkomo che say omo fi baabi ene ba we ye benya abrofo a omo susu efri America obedu Ghana omo ti premiere no omo nyina etimi ba ya omo be hwe bi ye bo bia abaso wo otimi support adwuma no utwa ticket wo ba ye be support wumpo na wantimi enra insider obegina outsider odi umora ebeta Chicheku 39 Chicheku ne 3940 na Afro Kojo Kansalawen obeta omochi yes project we nyina no Nyankopɔ ensha emu nyina na ade ba ko wose ye hwede say this is the time you hear support in the power industry no. This is the time you hear support pa and ohwe Kojo Kansalawen that time no anase Chicheku na Mama Brown eba support here Empress eba support here and the president of the Actors Guild Bella Samoa enso so eba support here say akwaraketua BBC or say ye ba support amani ama etime ko dedim nya TikTok stars bibra o ma be so a show say there is love in the showbiz business and I say in showbiz there's love in showbiz ente ba sana ema adwuma no enyi ekonanim ye hwe Kojo Kansalawen ne die a country called Ghana promo waye billboards of CC car wa brande a the number or the year rounds a adwuma ni ye yo for the movie industry intina oye sa adwuma ni nyina obese industry as the movie industry ye wo Ghana no e fa na ntoma pa efra na ejina brane into se movie na otwae no when trying say o be pesika na mo se na be ya Ghana movie ye ka se ye pe movie a e powerful na e nice a ye tuansa Ghana so ye betimi anya bi efri ha itina oye that particular movie na support bibre ekoso me who support ohwa the invitations bibre ekoko man pedifobia IGP etimba be support wa Accra IGP ebaye empedifobia by presidential candidate on His Excellency Akpalu ebaye ebe support nipa bibre ene ba be support ya ye ntimi emu mudi ye wi Accra de no ye sanso ba Kumasi ohwa ya Poly Multimedia any other bloggers ye di akire any ye rounds ni nyina am yet prove say we are not here for only some particular people but we are here for the movie industry ye ne kwa aka eba Kumasi ye rounds it started from morning evening na fe no ya pepe mu the next day ni aseshia from morning to evening ni pese adwuma no ekonanim ne fa ntoma pa efra enye ye nko a Kwakumenu ene Kojo Kasa Lewin ekohia e wo Pure FM eho ene Kojo Kasa Lewin e man invitation say a country called Ghana ye premier intibra we invitation of design is a passport because we are going to a country called Ghana and you need a passport at the same time a visa ene odema aye nua no na ni nyina echi no ne efisi Kwakumenu nko ene nipa anka obetimi aba yekohia e wo Angel FM okoto eye oboysiki e wo honom ho so na enye easy oboysiki e kasa say ono killer say money si ho so onim so oba ho a obeche no ama eho no ekoye ase entinwase kakra back and forth we can but at the day of the premiere surprises bebre ebaye Nana Mac Brown na our town oba eye Matilda Sare ne mame eye na Ellen White enso so ne papa eye but instead of incident na happen you know omo nyina nya opportunity etimi bae that very day na ye eye na nkasa eye that very day 25th na nkasa na ye eye no ene enya ntia se yenua Kojo Kasa Lewin wonya accident yem hye ne we ye na se aye take coverage yem hye pa nti ho na me ne senior bobo wayo senior gina ho na call ne bae YA bebo ya manese se killer enya aye accident ho na wayo se yes no papa je monfre na yenhwe de akokosi ti me frɛ na se wo confonochi emergency na we say no ye ntuka na yenko situation no de besi bia no memfre na me mbona mane ti yekodu na mpa senior bobo wayo si efrɛ me man round down on so okay Miracle Films na Mac Brown any other team members no omobo ho so eba eye confonochi ababehwe omba ya mpa na ye no kre Kojo Kasa Lewin ena ni manager Ray Money ena eye ni bodyguard ye frɛ no eye body ada say abodie omunyina eye affected a ombehwe kama ewo ho intina na ma free eye confonochi ekono ka sembi o ka say ye be hia nwumre and I'm say wow because na me say incident happen you know na premier no emma so but o ka say ye be hia nwumre no emma vim bi ye dem eba because ye nyina na ye slow ye kodu confonochi no me say na ma ye slow na mitimi nya hwe na mitimi nya because na people are asking say where is Papa J ye hear update every ho Kojo Kasa Lewin update accident no ye per update every but that moment no na mitimi nya hwe na ma ye slow because na me hwe how car no esi aye eri the way na mesi kona na me yem hyehyebe but ye call ye ko hu say enye sene na ya adwenche na fe hopes kakra aba all the same kwa na ye nhye da enye okay sir until say nwumre no ye kodu eye premiering grounds ho ene ye sha say ye be try say ye be twitwa bibi kakra ama mo hu de ekoso anche bia na Empress Mac Brown on the first celebrity am so opie ho a obaye obey support ye be J Mike esa to nyom entertaining audience na obo ho no ye ho anche enafe ya yenua Kwakumenu Bob Ziga enso so ebaye ebe support Kojo Kasa Lewin obeka ya during the premiere of Mr. President Kojo Kasa Lewin I think say Kwakumenu ebaye but Kwakumenu premiere ni that time no Kojo Kasa no will show until when me amma but this time no Kwakumenu actually say there's nothing between me and Kojo Kasa Lewin there is no bad blood e was any pa mienu intend there's no beef into no so ba ebe support ye e ma no eyefe nti me wo ho na me san nya call e na senior bobo wayo si e frɛ me say oni ejako TikTok match na bawie oni ejako TikTok match na abawie mo wa hwe ejako pasa yes already ejako on that TikTok match into we no frɛ me say Papa J na name e ko say na so ye wa ha na ye expect say anka Kojo Kasa Lewin ebetimi aba nanso ye wo ha no surprise si ama Kojo Kasa Lewin etimi apie mu e auditorium ho no ma ene come and see na ni jesem pa opie ho no de na ni jesem obi o bia ene gia omo boje so pa sa time na Kojo Kasa Lewin enam kwanso oba no na prophet Stephen Adumche Duampo ono so abadada aba betena se what I say ono so Philadelphia for aba betena se dada na papa na ba betena se na Kojo Kasa Lewin enya mai but anche bia na Kojo Kasa Lewin so ye dem e ba yo betena se a e ma hono mu nyina ye dede ye afi na obi a na wabotu bia no afi na energy acha se e ba e ho na ye nyina ye nya hope say oh se Kojo ne ho ye dia ene ye nyina so no ye hye ye ho de ne mo mpaye na Ray Money na body ene Kojo omo enye den pa no omo san emrafi emeto omo djuma so enije ba enti bobo wayo si ebedu ya ohwa oba no so ne wife nsa bare bobo ne wife dey chale uhu omo a okon bedo aware password I'm telling you bobo say wenu awa hu ye maka say ware password ware me hu bobo ne wife na me kondo aware wa grab the nsapa na at the pass so ni kunsa no otutu tata majestically catwalk no isi ha no dey see ha no dey see ha na fake komo so ye no atwetwe enkomo kwakra kwapia enso be support ye pa ebe support at the same time Salinko enso so eba be support ye YP ebe support ye Kwaku Flake enso ebe support ye artist bebre eba ya on be support ye ema dwumadie no enso so ekọ ne Polino Multimedia ye enso so yeba ebe support ye ne ye pese ye kyenya ne se wo a wo puti wo quota in this particular project bia no ye nyina ye mbegi ye ho app do ye nwie ye wo sunyane de wo hono a ye be kwakoye on the 1st of June Hughesburg Hotel e wo sunyane country called Ghana sunyane for muso munye ready ye de air bremo na ye nhwe ne maba akubi eni mienu bia e wo say at times say event koso a e wo say ye say event koso at times there are some things we should take into consideration na especially I'm speaking on behalf of bloggers and the media personalities say event ba na say media na ba ho a yem provide space and for the media ye kwa akra incident kakra sie ama me kasa akra ma ne ba camera mu nyina so because say edu level bi na ubeye adwuma nyina chi na afa edu time a ubedu ba bia ye be more respect kakra no na ehon so akwakoye NCMP enti say wo ye event na say uhia bloggers officially provide accreditation for bloggers and as a media personnel na nipa ne ba o mebre afa no obewura mu no na bodyguard bia ono dana ne afre no so ma yadwuma na oba be intimidate you. I don't blame them because information if we organizers no ho aye dema bloggers no and most at times no omo so take isa orders no e de yadwuma it mesre organizers no say ye start here ye ne mo na start but that very day na event no ebe take it off no na ye say uni accreditation ye nimo enti ye ma omma meanwhile ye provide accreditation and farmer media personality bia into that day na ono so eba ho abahwe de ebe koso no wanye bidia to ho ma nkofo akohwe no na intimidation from left and right enura I was fighting for some of the bloggers because omo ba no me no omo frame papa je ye ba o ye ba mesemomra we de mo bedura ebe hu kwan be de ebe fa so we requested for accreditation and the nipa no so my accreditation no money so na involve in the accident na say akwakoye NCMP well in order not to create anything no the subsequent ones nam kwan so ba no we should find a way you betimi ama bloggers so abamfa so kakra because I'm telling you say for now story beer trendy Ghana bia is coming from these bloggers they are doing it omo na first story no e dia post it to other platforms now other media even the traditional media no kwakofa na omo timi ayebi what you see yetna on the TV stations na ye hu bi stories are young bloggers near ye no e na ebi mo efa ediko TV stations no ebi fa ediko radio stations so ebi fa in the newspapers ebi fa on other portals omo so e feed omo listeners and their viewers into yesremo event organizers mumfa respect kakra emma bloggers mumfa respect kakra and I respect Krampo emma bloggers because we are fighting for this industry we are fighting try see nyina be kan ho abom se mote yase yeso yetimo ase na ye adwuma na ebeboa ama the movie industry the showbiz industry the entertainment fraternity in Ghana no ebetumi afa nento mapa efra ye bo bia baso from day one mama supporting the movie industry from day one the days of Venus Films HM Films, AA Films, Danfubiye, Miracle Films, Claire Pictures, Karimode Ventures, a lot of them, Chief Ventures, all the ventures and the films in Inano, ye church munyina mabo juma. Then you see one sum, nipa. You do baby, my and obada ben, and a way do a chen home, we do ganum dodo, so dread a numumpo, naso or ye jubana. We should all try and support Sa and Kofonina. Country called Ghana. Aya there 1957 aya there your movies and nam kwan so eba ebiti say Catholic priest and so ye premiere no June ya your movie biti say Red Kingdom chinchin atwan and so July and so eba so a ye do full vim ahoden a ye de ma other movies no ni nyina ye support sa nkofo we nyina enti ma ya ba mu mo in the Ghana movie industry yenya ye try na yenye bibi na ye fam page industry no because Nigerian folk go so try good movies other countries go so try good movies why not a country called Ghana and ye ntimi try good movies biom those days we were doing it ye benya Ghana movie industry na very vibrant amma Nigerian movies quite am penetrate into Ghana biom then happen ya e masane ma we nyina sesan ya afide na Ghana movies e ho aba asema ye pe bi ahwa yenya e say obi anya kukudro na so ye adwuma we ya we should all come out and support them numbers about there we are not here for numbers but number bia yenya was premiering stu ni nyina 1957 and a country called Ghana no nipa ba nyina ya damu nyina ase moya de enye me na me ba beda ase e de ama the Wizzy Empire and I said 1957 but me so me hwe say ye nyina ye ka ho bi ene ye adwuma no in a way no yes ye da ye nyina ho ase next time ye pull it up na ye mra me hwe ye support e ma adwuma no enko nanim maka cho say movies ni bi di kwan so eba Catholic priest enam kwan so eba Red Kingdom from a chinchinetwan enam kwan so eba eno feature Ejako Dr. Laiki Chicheku 3940 Papa Kumase Shefo Yaudabo artists bebre Comfort colleague omu nyina ewo mu bi ye be premiere no 6 July ewo SG Mall Royal Cinema Kumase ye moa na the Ghana movie industry emfa ntoma pa emfra bloggers edamase say anytime bia mama ye nyina ka ye ho adwene bom na yetimi ye bibi ema no etimi epeke na so amanfo efili ye vibe no what you say ye pese ye ade bi ema wo ye bibi na say one involve ya one kasa no we say no we are a mistake and that is what is going on right now what you say if wo ye bibi try say we be involve the media including the bloggers na ye mra ye me support na ye page na ma adwuma no emfa ne to mapa emfra ye de obi bia ase we general review ye kakrade akaka ye ho for na country called Ghana in the 1957 mama ba ye nyina na fe ye fan pipe kase so enter Kojon Kansalewin echi bibi owo bia nyankopɔ enka no pay ya my friend me ne management akasa omo kire say he is doing good na man for say adentina o sign bar premier na say any kwan say oba enye say any kwan say oba ana say o say oba doctors for share no check no say no oye healthy ana say oye okay so betimi akọ premiering and ba oba ene kwa kire say Kojon Kansalewin Ghana for cause adwuma na wa ye no en love amode eba no o chese bibie mu kwa no o so sign so ba mamunya rehye mu no obi amma meka say ye call ye kwa no wa ma o ene ade no mse emu ya ye ni ba doctors for share the condition no mu say he's okay obetimi aba be support anase oba be hwe adwuma no ama bibia etimi akonenim ye da ne sofo so ase enya sofo nya netimi esa sofo bi wo no ma oba na sorry all right but say wo ye adwuma de bi say emfa no hokura enso sofo prophet adum chedua etimi ebae ebe support Kojon Kansalewin owie no ohage Kojo no kana say nisuo edi akira na ayare ho sempa but it tells you say we are say de wo ye bia no na se wo ye ni ya nyankopon o ma wo enjo nkwa emfiri bibi ni atamfompo na chicha nyankopon ema wo nko just like that because boshe ne botaya nyankopon de ama wo so wo nya nwie ya enya de obema wako na fesi enye very careful me two celebrities nyina for celebrities amo drive mo nkasa mo car me two mo for munye very careful e wo kwan so munye very careful e wo kwan so pa because we are say a sign wo ho enim artist bebre ba enam ka ko hia so omahwehwe omo nkwa ayentimi emobodi omo de omo ko na mo amaka no mo try say anytime bia no mo be kai mo ti sia na nimu a e ma mo we mfi mo ho mo kan hu se bibia tumi si speed na okwa message wo se te so udu bebia wo se wo speed a e wo se wo kwa eno ade na ho beba wo biem na ne okwa na wokọ na mo bebi wo no mo a eni kwa se wokọ so a na waye dem omo oni akọ na mo a ya mo tete wo mo nchen so wo ka mo no anytime na memfa mo se o celebrity na wote ne nchen ti se bibi kọ so wo ka no ma wunti bi nka prompt no masa hey wo ka ni be den e be ba no ho so memma ne oni ne celebrity na shadow no ento so what you say e ma shadow no ento so dem so o ye bibi da e ko wronga ka kire no bibi kwa bi na ni ho hey ka bi bo ana bi a moto bi na ma ye careful obi twem na all prompt no me te woncha wo ka ma me tires apa me active kwa chewa wo drive no what you say ni nyina timi boa ema niama etimi etotodi yɛda yɛn ho nyinaa ase nyankopɔ ɛnka obi bia ho ɔnka kodwo nkasa lewe ne management ɔnka ɔmo na ɔnsa ɔmo yare anase situation bi ɔmo akɔ bia no ɔmfa ne sanka ɔmo no ho sanya ahoɔden na ɔmo nsa mmra biom edin no the fresh boy Papa J ha Polyno multimedia what me buy bia want me ama mu nyina mo support e kan be Dr. Likey e ba bonti be tu just say ye nyina yenko support the do omo ntimi ama ho but omo no mu asem krampo na ba out no papa kuma asem nyina no mu asem ba out shifu mu nyina kasa e chiga mu nyina kasa e chicheku 3940 team nyina obia de nsem e betu dwa se kan afo nyina nko na omo nko support ye da obi bia ase mo support ye bia e da mase nyame enka mo ho na afei no ye ebema yenka ye ho kakra ne yenko ne nhwe videos ni bi omo mo tibi pass it through any nyama kakra e course so at the country called Ghana Movie Premiere, Kumasi KNUST CCB Auditorium. Thank you for watching.